Want to know how to retrieve or import backed up websites in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you're under your site admin. Now, once you're under your site admin, here you can see plugins. So once you're under plugin, make sure you have a plugin installed that is Easy WordPress Migration and Backup. So I'm just going to show you right here. So right here, as you can see, all-in-one WP migration and backup has been here. So we have already created a video on how to back your sites up, so make sure to watch it. Now once that is done, make sure you have WP migration installed, and under plugins you should be seeing WP migration. So once you have selected and activated that plugin, you can just simply select import, and once import is selected, you can just simply browse in from your computer and select the file that you had installed or backed up. And once that is done, your import and your backing up should be completed. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.